How to fix Windows Spotlight not working in Windows 11 25H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this issue. Launch File Explorer. For this, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to this PC. Open the drive where Windows is installed. This is generally installed in C drive. Go to the users directory. Go inside username folder. Then app data. Open local. Find packages and open it. Now find Microsoft Windows.client.cbs underscore some letters. This one, Microsoft Windows.client.cbs underscore some letters. Open this folder. Go to local cache. Here create a new folder named Microsoft. Right click, go to new and select folder. Name this folder Microsoft. Then open the newly created folder. Again, create a new folder. Name this folder Iris Service. Once done, close the File Explorer window and restart your computer. Then click on Start, go to Settings, Personalization, Background, and select Windows Spotlight from the drop down. Windows Spotlight should work perfectly. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.